Guys, if you have tried so many steps to fix your computer and your computer is acting very weird, you want to reset your computer to factory settings, I'll tell you one of the most simplest and easiest way to do it. Please make sure you watch the whole video and you will be able to do it in a very easy manner. Whether it's a Windows 11 or Windows 10, the procedure, the steps will remain same. So in the search icon, just type reset. So once you have typed reset in the search bar, you will find the result, the best match, reset this PC. So I'll click on that. A new window will appear called recovery, reset this PC. If your PC isn't running well, resetting it might help. This lets you choose whether to keep your personal files or remove them and then reinstall Windows. So I'll tell you both the ways, whether you want to keep your files or if you do not want to keep your files. So I'll click on get started from here and a new window will appear. The options are keep my files and remove everything. So remove apps and settings but keeps your files. So for example, if I have any application, let's say Photoshop or Word or Microsoft Excel, then whatever the files I have created, that will be remain there. However, if any application which is there, that will be removed. So you need to reinstall those applications, and as far as the files are concerned, which is already saved, that will not be affected. So I can see I have this keep my files option. I'll click on that and it will say get things ready. This won't take long. And here we have two options. So if you're sure that your computer has a local reinstall copy, like if you have a laptop, then in most of the laptop there is a local factory settings saved in the computer. So you can click on reinstall. But in any case, if you do not know and if you're connected to your internet, then I would recommend to select cloud download. So it will download the fresh copy of Windows and then it will try to reinstall your Windows in a reset. So I'll click on that and here it says cloud download can use more than 4 GB of data. So please make sure you have sufficient data remaining, and once you click on that, if you're using a laptop, then you just need to plug in your charger and then click on next. Now the moment you do it, you just need to click on next again and it will start installing the Windows for you, a fresh copy of Windows in your computer. You can let me know in the comment section if you have any issues. I'll try my best to fix your problem. Please hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Have a wonderful day.